Hello everyone, my name is Santosh Ugonda. Uh, Today date is 4th April 2022 and today video topic is difference between static and instance variable, static and instance method, static and instance block. This is the three differences. Instance variable, static class variable. Instance variables are declared in the class but outside a method, constructor or any block. Class variables, also known as static variables, are also declared with the static keyword in a class but outside a class, constructor or a block. Instance variables are created when an is created with the use of the keyword new and destroyed when the object is destroyed. Static variables are created when program starts and destroyed when the program stops. Instance variable can be accessed directly by the calling the variable names inside the class. However, within static methods, when instance variables are given accessibility, they should be called using the fully qualified name. Object reference variable name, static variable can be accessed by calling with the class name. Class name variable name. Instance variable has value that must be referenced by more than one method, constructor or block are essential parts of the object static that must be present throughout the class. There would only be copy of each class variables per class regardless of how many objects are created from it. Static class variables are also known as static variables, are declared with the static keyword in a class but outside the method, constructor or block. Static variables are created when the program starts, destroyed when the program stops. Static variables can be accessed by calling with the class name. Variables, there would only be one copy of each class variable per class, regardless of the many objects are created from it. Static based instance method. Instance methods are methods which requires an object, its class, to be created before it can be called. Static methods are the methods in the Java that can be called without creating an object of class. Static methods is declared with the static keyword. Instance methods is not with the static keywords. Static methods means which will be as single copy for class, but instance methods exist the multiple copies depending on the number of instances created for the class. Static methods can be invoked by using class reference. Instance or non-static methods are invoked by using object reference. Static methods can't access instance methods and instance variable directly. Instance methods can be accessed static variables and static methods directly. Difference between static block and instance block. Static initialization block, instance initializing block. Static initializing block, to define a static initialization block, we use a keyword static. A static initialization block loads as soon as class loads and it's no associated with a value to the constructor of the class. For object creation, static blocks can be only accessed by static variable and static methods of this class. There is no automatic calls but superclass constructor from the static initialization block. Static block is called just once during the entire execution of the program. When the class loads the instance initialization block, no keywords required to define the instance initializing block. An instance initializing block is only executing with there is a calls to constructor for creating an object. An instance initialization blocks can be not only access static variables and static methods, but also instance variables and instance methods of class. An instance initialization block always makes an automatic calls to superclass constructor by calling super before executing any other statements in it. Instance initialization block can run many times whenever there calls to constructor of class. This is all about the information about the static block, instance block, and static method, and instance method, and static variable and instance variable. Thank you.